Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 23rd of August 2017. It's 5:15 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia, and let's see, it's 3:15 p.m. 22nd of August New York and 7:15 p.m. in London. Still an hour, about 104 minutes left to the market closes in, as you can see in this right corner. 104 minutes left, so we still have about an hour and a half more left to the market close. But as you can see, this is oil. Oil had a radical move on Friday. Yesterday it came back, another big candle, and today is forming a inside bar. This inside bar is kind of a, it has a interpretation that if it breaks on top and bottom of the line here, as you can see, there are two lines. Let me just draw two lines. This is the mother bar, right? Mother bar, and this is the mother bar. If it breaks above this mother bar, it shows that the market's gonna go up, and if it breaks under this, market's gonna go down. So you can put your pending orders on top and bottom of these two lines. So anytime that it breaks out, you're gonna be in the market. This is oil. Oil actually is in the upward channel, and it touched the bottom of the channel. And I had a sell position here, but I lost it like last week when this radical move happened. So it's going up at the moment, but it's like 47.8 at the moment, and just, yeah, this inside bar, we wait for the signal. Silver, we have a very sharp pin bar, bearish pin bar yesterday, and today is just forming a normal candle. We can't act on this at the moment, we just wait. On a weekly chart, as you can see, it's going up. It broke above all three moving averages 2 weeks ago. We have this big pin bar here, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna break up, but you just wait until we get a clear signal. On gold, I have two positions. I had this sell position here when this pin bar happened, and I put another one, a pending order sell limit, at the middle of this pin bar. And yesterday market moved up. I got in again because this pending order triggered, and market moved down. So at the moment, if you look at my trades, I have two positions on gold. The first one that I had before, the first one, this is this, and the second one that is triggered on top and the middle of this pin bar is about $60 in profit at the moment. So it's good. It touched the top of the market, this top line here, and we had this pin bar. We have event area. Let me zoom out. This is the double top. This is the third top. We have a ceiling here, and this ceiling shows that there's a very strong resistance, and this pin bar here confirmed that, and that's why I put the sell signal here. It's opposite of silver. They normally move together, these two precious metals, but I don't know, the signals in silver show that the market's gonna go up, except this pin bar. But yeah, I don't get any position in silver, just I'm in gold. Okay, let's take a look at Euro USD. Euro USD broke above this channel. I put a buy stop on top of this candle. That the market is moving down today, so it came back. Let's look at H4. As you can see in H4, it came back, touched this top of the channel, and I think it's gonna go up. This pin bar shows that the market is trying to justify this move, this radical move on Friday. On yesterday, on Friday as well. We have two candles here. So we wait until tomorrow. The difference is about 80 pips, but I always get in when I'm sure, not 100%, 90% at least sure about the trade. So I don't get in now. I just keep my pending order on top there. You can put another one as well, just on top there, and if it triggered, you're gonna be in. And all these pin bars you see, this show that the market tries to go up, but the pressure the downward pressure is too much. They cannot jump. So when this pressure is removed, it's just like a spring. The price gonna just jump up, okay? So we just wait until tomorrow or maybe next day to see what happens. AUD USD, I have a buy position because all the signals I had, this big candle was a buy, but the market's fluctuating at the moment, so I just wait. Maybe I add next time if I get a good signal. If I see a pin bar or any kind of a touching these moving averages in inside bar or something, I may maybe get another trade on AUD USD. JBP USD just dropped today, just like Euro USD, and it's going down. It broke this line here. Let me draw a line. See this resistance here? Oh, this is too big. Let me just make it smaller. Yeah, see this resistance here? This candle broke this, and probably market's gonna go down more. But yeah, I'm not in this trade. You could see this pin bar and inside bar here. You could get in when this broke down around there. But yeah, I didn't have any position. Unfortunately, I missed this trade. USD/JPY. And USD/JPY, I have a buy position. And let me show you why. We have this bottom, 3 bottoms. As you can see, this resistance is very strong now. Every time the market came back from the pin bar, see this pin bar? See this big pin bar here? This pin bar and this one showed that the market every time touches this support here and forms a pin bar, just market shuts up. Okay, so the third time here we have this pin bar again. You can see this big pin bar, and after that market just moving up. So I got in and I put my stop loss under this pin bar, and my target is close to this 423 Fibonacci level. I drew a Fibonacci of this pin bar, as you can see, from the top of this to the bottom of the pin bar. And because the market's high is far from my 423 level Fibonacci, so I just put it halfway. It's still 200 pips to the top of the market, and I'm happy to get let me see how much is it. It's about 300 pips. I'm happy with that. If I can add my position, I will, but currently this is good. AUD/CHF, I have buy position and it's in money and it's going up. Let's look at like weekly. Weekly is going up as well. It's not bad, good. So we just keep this one. AUD/JPY, I'm not in. I am in. I got this position when we had this big pin bar, you see here. I got this position, I think around this bar, this candle here. The market moved up, it came back, and it's trying to move up. It's under this 21 moving average. It's just stuck there. If we get another signal, we're gonna add to this position, but currently I keep my stop loss and target intact. AUD New Zealand dollar, I'm not in this. This is the top, you see. If you draw a line, this is the channel, okay? It broke this channel, but there is not resistance here. Let me try this one. Want to see the top of the market, you probably switch to this. No, I don't have this one here. You can switch to this line chart, and line chart actually better shows the top and bottom of the market. I change the colors here, as you can see. Well, line graph, let's see, line graph like magenta, deep pink. Okay, if I switch to line graph, this pink one shows the top and bottom of the market. So you can draw as this resistance line on top of this, can see here 2, 3, so probably it's gonna touch there as well. We are gonna have a little bit of resistance there. So the line chart shows the top and bottom of the market. If you don't know how to draw resistance and support lines, you see this one, 2 touches here, 1 there, close area here. The line chart shows the top and bottom of the market better than the other ones. All right, next one, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. It's very good, moving up. As you can see in weekly, top of the market touched, it's going up again. We're gonna have a little bit of resistance, just nothing at the moment. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, the same. It's trying to break this 21 moving average in weekly, touch this moving average, it's going up from the pin bar, still close to top of the market. Let me draw a line for the next analysis. Yeah, we keep this one as well. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. See, this one is very good. We have this strong support here, and we have a pin bar. This pin bar probably shows that the market's gonna go up. Weekly is going down. 4 hour. Again, another pin bar here. Let's get in this one. New order. I just put a market order. Resistance. Stop loss under the pin bar. And let's go 3 to 1. 61. I think 3 to 1 is good. So we just draw a Fibonacci. And I put my target halfway, which is this area. You see this event area here, we have so much resistances, so that's good. Let's measure it. How much is it? My stop loss is about 62 pips, and my target is about 210, which is more than about 3.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio. So 3.5, 3.5 to 1. It's very good. So I keep this position. You see how I determine the target? I draw if I have a pin bar, it's very easy. I just draw a Fibonacci from the top to bottom of the pin bar if it's going up. And I put my stop loss, my target, somewhere around 261 to 423. If the market is not that much fluctuating, I normally close to choose the close area to 261. But if the market moves like these, you see this pair is very radical move. When it starts very slow, but suddenly it just like catches fire. So this one is gonna probably do the same, you know. See the previous times as well. It starts very slow, but suddenly it just drops. So if this time it breaks this level up here, it's gonna just jump up, which is gonna go above this. But yeah, I'm happy with 3.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio. I keep this one at like this is. Okay guys, I think this was enough for today. I got 2 positions, new positions. You do your analysis. If you find this signals very good, you can open a trade as well. If you want to get these new signals every day, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every day these videos after the New York session closes or close to, and it's about 90 minutes left. So subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon, so you get notified as soon as I upload a video, so you can jump on and you do your own analysis until, yeah, if you find a good entry, and if you find my entry is good, you can act on this as well. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section below. I try to answer all the questions. And yeah, thanks so much for watching and have a nice time.